Hello everyone, I am back with a new video, but before that I would request you to subscribe our channel for more useful video. So in today's video I'm going to discuss about how to tell a time in English. So many people have that misconception and then they think कि if we want to tell a time in English, so there we can use only like 7:30, 8:30, 12:30, 12:15. But this is not the right way to tell a time in English. So let's learn how to tell a time in English. So in English clock, if I talk about English clock, so it divided into two parts for 30 minutes and 30 minutes. So there is no such uses of saying 45, 57 and all that, because that part is divided like o'clock. O'clock we can use for exact time, like exact 1 बज रहा है, it's 1 o'clock. Exact 2 बज रहे हैं, it's 2 o'clock. Exact 3 बज रहे हैं, it's 3 o'clock. When it's come to the sawa in Hindi, so when the time says कि it's 12:15, for that 15 वाला time, in that case we use quarter past. 2:15 बज रहे हैं, it's quarter past 2. 3:15 बज रहे हैं, it's quarter past 3. When it's come to the 30 time, okay, when we say साढ़े in Hindi कि 3:30 बज रहे हैं या 4:30 बज रहे हैं, in that case we use half past. It's 3:30, it's 4:30. And when it's come to the 45 वाला time, like पौना in Hindi, in that case we use quarter to. So when something is about to turn, in that case we use quarter to. Like 6:45 हो रहे हैं, which means 8 बजने वाले हैं, right? So for that 6:45, for 45 we use it's quarter to 8. 8:45, it's quarter to 9. So for these 4 steps we use to tell our time. But when it's come to the time, like in English we use कि इतने बजने में इतने मिनट हैं या इतने बजकर इतने मिनट हैं, in that case we probably use different formation. Okay, let's start with that इतने बजने में इतने मिनट. So when we speak in Hindi as time कि 12 बजने में 5 मिनट हैं और 12 बजने में 10 मिनट हैं, so English में we always use minute first and then hour. Like in normal English or in Hindi we use hour first and then minute later. But when it's come to the English, so there is a opposition of that, where we use minute first and then hour. So when it's come to the itne bajne mein itne minute, in that case we use minute, then 2 and then hour. Like 12 बजने में 10 मिनट हैं, so that 10 come first, then 2 and then 12. So it's 10 to 12. When it's come to the opposite side, like इतने बजकर इतने मिनट, in that case the formation would be minute, past and then hour. Like 12 बज के 10 मिनट हो रहे हैं, so it's 10 past 12. 4 बज के 20 मिनट हो रहे हैं, so it's 20 past 4. This is all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.